Hey, welcome back. So today I have an unexpected helper. I thought I was going to squeeze this video in while we were napping, but no, Miss Aubrey did not want to miss out on our ketchup making today. So I don't know about you guys, but in my family, especially with my little ones, we love ketchup. It is a mealtime staple. I mean, potatoes, veggies, burgers, sandwiches, whatever is better with ketchup. You're way more likely to eat it with some ketchup. But if you've looked at the ingredient list on a bottle of ketchup recently, it might actually shock you how much stuff is in there that you would never think. The food dye, the high fructose corn syrup, just sheer amount of sugar. It's just kind of gross, actually. So I have a wonderful homemade alternative to share with you guys today. We love it. It's cultured, so it's got those probiotics that we love, and it has still some sweetener. You could also substitute honey if you want to be totally refined sugar-free, but I use a little bit of organic cane sugar, and we love it. So I hope you guys do too. We're going to show you how we make it. All right, so let's get started. In our saucepan, we're going to combine 1/3 cup of water, and we're going to do 1/4 cup of organic cane sugar, but you could also do the same amount of raw honey, or I've heard you could do molasses. I think it would give it definitely a different texture, or a different flavor. So we're just gonna put this on the stove over medium heat and just until the sugar is dissolved. All right, so we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients all in one bowl. I'm starting with some organic tomato paste, and this mini spatula is perfect for getting into smaller containers and just getting every last drop of goodness out for you. I will link, of course, in the description to everything that I'm using today. All right. Okay, so there's 12 ounces of tomato paste. Our sugar water is gonna go right in there. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of raw apple cider vinegar. That's really important that it's raw with the mother or with the culture intact. Do an 1/8 teaspoon, which I love these little magnetic measuring spoons, and 1/8 teaspoon is a dash. So we're gonna add a dash of all of our spices. Then last but not least, we're just gonna salt and pepper to taste. I'm using the gray sea salt from Bon Cook today. It's really similar to the gray Celtic sea salt that I use for most of my cultures. It is just a really nice flavor and higher mineral content. It's my favorite salt for any of my ferments. And then I'm gonna use the Vietnam black pepper, also from Bon Cook. It's got a really nice citrusy spice to it, and I think it just goes really well with the tomato. So a few turns of that, and we're gonna mix it all up. All right, beautiful, nice ketchup there. It smells so good. Smells so good. We're just gonna transfer it all into a jar, wipe up our plethora of little spills. Make sure our rim is clean. Shake it down in there. All right, and I'm gonna use a pickle pipe today. I really love my pickle pipes because I do a lot of fermenting. But if you haven't quite gotten to the point where you have pickle pipes, or you're just not interested in investing in them, that's fine. Just put a lid on and remember to burp it every day. But since I've got a pickle pipe here, I'm just gonna put the lid on tight. And I'm gonna set this aside for about 3 days to a week and just keep an eye on it. It's gonna get lovely little bubbles as it ferments, and then I'll bottle it, stick it in the fridge, and we will